What's cooking, Connor? Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to Cooking with Culinary, KTIG's special cooking show. This is our first episode of the 2024-2025 school year.
Today we have chefs Patrick and Jackie from Culinary here to share with us a quick and easy snack.
Today we'll be showing you how to make hot Cheeto mozzarella sticks with a little twist. Me and Owen will be blindfolded while Patrick and Jackie guide us to make this yummy snack. So stay tuned for today's episode of Cooking with Culinary. Alright, today Patrick and Jackie will be showing us this yummy recipe. So would you start by showing us the ingredients needed?
Yes, so the ingredients we're going to need is a bag of flaming hot Cheetos, mozzarella sticks, 12 of them, half a cup of all-purpose flour, and 4 large eggs.
Alright, so me and Owen, we have to get blindfolded.
We're going to blindfold you?
Yes.
Alright, come on.
Okay.
Blindfold me, Patrick.
Let's get ready for
Is that
this.
good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So the first step that we're going to be doing is we're going to start making our separate bowls of eggs, flour, and crushing our hot Cheetos, so we will be able to dip the cheese in each thing. So first we're going to crack our eggs. You're each going to get 2 eggs. Okay.
Alright, so listen as you crack them. It's
Grab,
really good.
grab.
Okay.
Guide Owen to the egg.
Alright, go a little forward. Go down.
Where do I crack it?
You feel it? You feel it?
You feel the
Alright,
table?
there we go, there we go.
Okay.
Alright.
Hit it on the table. You feel the bowl? Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Alright,
yeah,
so
do one at a
one at a
time.
time or 2?
One at a time. Okay, the bowl. Go a little further.
So you know how to crack an egg,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
that's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that was perfect.
Lightly tap it. Show me the
Okay, the bowl move, the bowl
Lightly,
move.
one more time. Okay.
Wait,
You're gonna
go
grab it
to
with both
your
hands.
left, all the way to the left. Keep on
can't see
going.
what
Go
I'm doing.
forward.
Okay.
Go forward.
Oh,
More
hold it
forward. More forward.
Where's
That's
the bowl?
perfect. That's
Right.
perfect.
Right. Okay, wait for
Okay.
me.
Okay,
There, go,
okay,
go, go,
yeah,
go.
yeah.
It's right there.
Put it back in.
Did I just put a lot of shell in there?
Alright.
No, it's actually really
Okay.
good.
What's that?
You got it.
Ooh, yeah, did it.
Okay, now we are going to whisk our eggs with our tongs. So, hand one of them the tongs.
Here you go.
Oh.
You got
Oh,
this,
you got
Owen.
it?
Okay, Owen, you're gonna whisk it. Do you want to hold the bowl, Amy? Go forward.
yeah.
Go
Oh,
forward.
here.
Yeah. Grab it. Hold it. No. Tell him if he's doing it right. You're doing
You
great.
got this.
Okay.
I can tell you've done this before.
Just leave it right there. Okay. We're gonna move the eggs, and now we're gonna get our flour. Here you go, Patrick.
How do I
Guide him
open
with
this?
Okay.
Okay. I'll open it.
In front of you right now. Okay, that's some seasonings. They have lids on them, so
Okay,
you're
there
chill.
you go.
And then over here,
Now, wait.
there's also some. Here, go to your right a
forward.
little bit.
A little more.
There, those
Yeah,
are some
yeah.
more seasonings.
Okay,
Now,
So
pour it.
Amy's
Yeah,
gonna
pour
put
it
the flour
slowly.
in that bowl, and then after
Shake it
she's
a
done, we're gonna mix in the
Oh,
seasonings.
okay.
Okay, am I using
That's-
everything that's in here or
More?
just a little bit of
I
each?
think
I don't know how much
that's
is in
good.
here.
Okay.
Well, Owen's gonna do the seasonings.
How much of each
A
do you
little
think?
bit. Like
A little
grab
bit.
it with your, pinch it with your fingers.
All right, so you're gonna pinch each one. Right. There we go.
Just right here?
Yeah, right there. It's great.
Well, they're doing that.
Okay,
Amy.
finesse.
Okay.
We could start moving
Where's
on
the
to the
lid?
hot Cheetos.
that
So
is-
you gotta grab your
Just
Ziploc bag
be a
in
little
front of you.
careful.
Go a little more forward.
You can just place it down, actually.
Go
Yeah, I
to the
definitely
left.
touch
I'll
the
get
hot
it.
plate.
I got you.
It's all the way in the front of the table. Oh, Patrick, can you
Where
do
is
that?
it?
Alright, so a pinch of this.
Yep.
Okay.
Where is it?
Right here?
Just, yep,
Wait.
that's good.
It's in front of the bowl.
Okay.
Yes, there you go,
okay.
there you go.
Missed a little
Okay.
bit, but it's all right.
Alright.
You got your Ziploc
Alright.
bag. Now you're gonna grab your bag of
I
hot
got this.
Cheetos. There you go.
Alright.
Oh,
There you go. You're
There's
gonna
one more.
pour.
Wait.
Alright.
You're doing great.
Which
You're
one?
doing great.
Thank you.
This
Okay.
this?
Okay.
That, the one you're holding.
Yes,
scared.
Yeah.
No, I'm
Oh,
scared.
you're
I'm
doing
scared.
great.
Okay.
It's going.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay.
good.
You got it. You got it. Nothing's falling.
Alright.
Get Owen to.
What am I doing?
Wait, I feel it. Okay.
You feel
There
it?
you go. There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Amy's putting all the hot Cheetos in there. I think you're gonna mallet them.
Oh,
Make those
cool.
strong on.
Give me the, oh.
Okay.
All right,
That's
so there's
perfect.
one side that's
All right.
prickly. Don't use that side. Use the flat
Okay.
side.
Now Ziploc bag.
And then she's closing it right now.
Now we smash it.
Yeah,
Yes.
where's the...
Now Owen's gonna smash it.
Okay.
Table.
Okay.
All right, so just start smashing away. Oh.
Amy, you're gonna grab the bowl in front of you. Go straight. Okay. And you're gonna shake it.
Think about
You're
everything
gonna.
that bothers you.
Yep. Do it a little more hard. Yeah.
Smash it today.
Like this?
Yeah, you're doing great. Okay. We're almost done mixing. Hey, keep on going straight. More straight. Right there. And grab three.
Yeah, there
Feel the edge. Yeah, that's perfect.
Really hard. Yeah, it's harder.
Okay, I think that's good. The sound. I think
All right. Put
reach
your
forward.
right hand out and then down. There you go, mozzarella sticks.
You're each
All right,
gonna
so take
grab
out three. Feel up those mozzarellas.
Yeah, just place it on the table.
The table's clean.
Yeah, we
We
sanitize.
sanitized. It's just like a big plate.
It's like
Reach
And
forward.
you're gonna here. Wait, I'll guide you.
Yeah.
And you're gonna go all, no, not that
There
one.
you go.
Go in forward, more forward, more forward. Okay, now mix it in there.
Oh, and Amy's beating you.
Oh,
she's
Yeah,
already.
okay.
She's
Amy's
already
ahead of the
I'm
game.
just- I'm just
okay,
second.
now move
Okay.
to the next bowl you felt earlier.
All right, there you go. Get the
Okay.
other one.
yes.
Wrap that one. I'll
Okay,
take
now
your plastic.
fully coat it.
That feels good.
What?
The flour. Okay.
Like this?
Oh,
yes.
it's not rocket
And
science.
now, Owen's struggling.
Of
now we're
course.
gonna go behind the bowl, and there's the Ziploc bag.
You're acting like you've never done this before.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you gotta open the Ziploc bag.
All right.
Because
I got
Is this it? Was it this one?
Yes.
you're losing
That
Amy
was-
right now.
Yeah, just cover that. Oh, and
Alright.
grab your next cheese stick and put it directly in front of you.
Oh,
In the
oh,
flour.
my hands are wet.
Wait, no, Amy, not that bowl. You put it in the wrong bowl.
What is this?
That's the egg. You're gonna do the
Okay,
flour
now that
first.
you have your-
Okay,
Okay.
Amy, put it back in the Cheetos.
And then
All right.
Yes.
here, you know what? I'll bring it to you.
Wait, no, Patrick.
Oh.
That's the cheating. Guide him to the Cheetos. Amy, you're doing great.
Is it so
yeah,
wet?
that's
This
the
one?
one you had. Yeah,
Okay.
that's perfect. Now
There
put it
we
straight
go.
forward into your
The
flour.
flour.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like soaked in
Oh
egg.
no, go back
You got
left. Right.
All right.
Okay.
There
All right,
you
you try
go.
this one.
There
on your
you
own.
go.
We got
Good?
flour.
You're good.
What is this?
That's Owen.
I'm sorry.
Well, this is looking real great, but make sure to stay tuned to see what's next right after this quick break.
Welcome back. This is looking real yummy. Let's finish this yummy snack.
All right, Owen. So we're gonna get this. It's very hot oil. All right, so
Yeah.
grab one of those and just drop
You
it
too, Amy.
up top.
Grab your creation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't want to put too many at a time because
So,
they expand
2
a
or
little.
3, what?
Yeah,
Yeah.
there we go. Maybe one more of yours.
We'll
Yeah.
do this busted one.
All right.
All
Now
right.
lower it down.
There you go.
And how long they're gonna cook for?
I say about like 2 minutes, just whenever we see that the what's it called, breadcrumbs are starting to get more hard.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get a round of applause
Thank
for
you.
Good job,
our 2
Amy.
chefs.
Thank you.
Yes.
I think we should quit KTIG and go
And
into
join
culinary.
culinary.
I
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
y'all are right.
Yeah.
Y'all should
Yeah,
come
we
join
should.
us.
Would y'all make this at home?
I would make this at
I
home.
would try.
Now we have the oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the time that was called a deep fries. We need our
Bro, I can't open this.
paper towels to place them on. The hot Cheetos with the tongs, and she's gonna put it on
I'm
our.
gonna be honest, they turned out way
they-
better
okay.
than I thought they were going to.
Say what?
They look way better than I thought they were going to.
Yeah, they look-
Those two
Yeah,
stuck
it
together.
looked just like the
They stick
video we
together.
watched.
There we go.
Oh, okay.
That's a
You
lot of
could
grease.
put the next
together.
ones in now. We're gonna also garnish them with some.
Ooh.
We're gonna garnish them with some parsley. We could-
It was on a sale, so.
Y'all look yummy.
We got our pre-chopped parsley.
Okay.
All right, Owen. I'm gonna get your opinion. What do you think?
They're beautiful.
All right.
Okay, grab those tongs.
Oh.
Oh,
Bro, this looks beautiful.
okay.
This looks yummy.
You could grab the knife from inside that drawer so we could cut them open. There we go.
Wow.
We're gonna pull that out. Be careful. We're gonna point that away from everyone.
Don't look at that.
It started going like that because the oil's getting too hot, so it's starting to
Okay.
go apart.
Now do we?
You could garnish them wherever you want.
Ooh.
There you go. That looks so
All of
good.
mine missed.
at this.
Okay.
Now that we've
go.
plated it, let's taste it.
Time to
Now
dig
it's time
in.
to taste, bro.
All right,
Okay.
Owen. Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, here,
Let's
we'll
all
all
try
try
it
it at the same time.
yeah.
we could pull it apart.
Alright.
Okay.
Yo,
Wait, we
y'all-
should-
y'all
okay.
left
Oh yeah, we need to do a
busted
cheese
ones.
pool.
Yeah, we should do
Oh.
a cheese pool.
Yeah, wait, we have
Right,
this
this
one,
one.
yeah.
Ready? Alright, let's see.
Ooh.
Bro, that look good.
Good cheese pull.
Oh, okay.
Patrick, here you go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I've never had anything better.
So what a great recipe. We're gonna take one more quick break and stay tuned for today's challenge coming up.
Hey, come here. You want to be the next episode on Game Time? Where there's the QR code right there. Let me explain what's Game Time. We have Guess That Song, Finish the Song, Family Feud, maybe more games. I just forget the whole game, but if you want to join with your friends, tell you and your friends, scan that QR code right there and join the next Game Time.
Now time for a little game. We'll be playing the flower game.
Where we have a flower castle with little gummies at the top. We'll take turns cutting the slice of the castle, and whoever drops the gummies has to retrieve it with their mouth. Okay? So let's get
Okay.
started.
So I'm going first.
Yeah, let's go
Okay.
first.
Wait, we're gonna have to eat the flour coated
You have to like
gummies?
Yeah,
grab.
you
You have to,
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, Amy
gosh.
next.
Okay, I'm gonna do it from right here too. Perfect.
Oh, let's get a
Big slice,
chunk.
Yeah, let's do bigger
Big
slices.
slice.
Oh, that is
Wow.
a huge slice.
There we go. I'm gonna.
It's gonna backfire.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, there's a lot of flour.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I felt a little
Amy,
bit
you
of
make this game
Cheeto.
end quick.
I know.
I felt a little bit of Cheeto in there.
Get it?
I feel like you're gonna knock it.
The Cheetos are the structure.
It's the was.
It's the walls.
Oh.
Oh, got
Wait,
another
that's
Cheeto.
another Cheeto. Do you get extra points for Cheetos?
Yes.
You should. Bonus 5.
I'm scared. Okay, there we go.
Getting more risky now.
Yeah, we're getting more risky. Okay.
Can we play some really tense music over this? In
Yeah,
post?
I'll put some tense music.
And cut out the part where I asked for the music.
Is it a Cheeto? That was the smallest slice.
There we go.
Come on now.
Sorry.
That should not count.
So close. Okay,
Okay.
bro, this is about to be crazy. Okay, I'll do it right here.
Your hands are shaking. You have Parkinson's.
I think so. I honestly think so, bro.
Oh God. Oh.
You're about to. You're about to knock it.
No, no, it's fine. It's fine.
Oh wait.
it's standing.
No, because look at the cracks.
Hang on.
No, it's perfect for Patrick.
Yeah, you got
Yeah,
this.
you got
You
it.
got
Just
this.
shave a little bit off the edge. It doesn't have to be a big cut.
Yeah. Does it have to be a big
No.
There we go.
Oh no.
Why are you shaking? Okay. Oh.
Jackie,
You gotta
come
get it with
on.
your mouth. Yep.
This
Get
is
it out.
okay.
Now, how about we all eat
Stick
the
your
Cheeto?
face in it.
Do you like it? Yummy.
That's it for our show for today, so we hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to stay tuned to KTIG's YouTube channel for another episode of Cooking with Culinary. And don't forget, CHS, stay to the right.
And
And
Also,
watch our YouTube shorts.
Oh, wait, Patrick, come on, it's still rolling.
There we go.
I got a little.